This episode, and every episode of Authorized Personnel Only, is made possible entirely through people just like you. Thank you.
There's water coming through the floor.
You've not been here this week. You've missed all the excitement.
I haven't missed it even a little bit. You trashed my fucking power
Dude, you should
plant.
have saw it. Lane already started cleaning.
Look at this.
Hey, we
Look.
started cleaning that too?
You weren't raised like... Okay, you were.
I was
Actually,
raised like
you were
that.
absolutely raised like that. Yeah. Oh my fucking God! It's filthy in here, and what isn't filthy is flooded. This is safe. Let's put a fucking oxyacetylene tank in the middle of the main traffic area to the fucking door.
No, I think
Nah, see, you're 3 words in and you're already lying to me.
No.
No, you're already three words
No.
in and you're lying. You're like, Chris, what? I think. No, you don't.
No.
I've played this game with you before. Hey, boss. Did you see this down here?
Wait, whoa, time out.
Did you see
First of
this?
all,
The water?
Meat was promoted. Meat is now boss.
Yeah.
So, you need to, if you're addressing me, Bootsy will be fine.
Hey, pig fucker.
Yeah.
You know there's a water feature here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Part of our environmental study, we're trying to incorporate natural rainfall to support the ecosystem.
Okay, so what I'm gonna go with there, if anybody asks what the water's for, noise abatement.
Okay. Noise
Okay, like when they launch rockets, they have the big water plume thing. Yeah, it's actually for noise abatement.
Okay, I like that. Noise abatement.
Noise abatement. Okay.
By the way, just be glad I put this together.
Well, it is better than having the tank wedged up in the corner there and the other tank in the corner. Oh wait, there's still a tank in the corner there. And where's the other one? Is it behind you? Oh look, there you go. There's a tank back there in the
Yeah, but it's
corner.
got the cap on.
Why is this here?
Because we're using it.
What'd you use it for today?
Well, here, let me show you.
Oh, you'll love this.
Oh my God.
You know how we cut underwater?
How do you cut underwater?
You don't. You lower the fucking river.
Did you lower the river?
Yes, we lower the river.
So the solution to cutting underwater with an oxyacetylene torch is lower the river.
Correct.
The entire river.
Yes.
Hey, how can we make this even more unsafe? Let's put fucking wet straw on top of steel plates next to a fucking hole at the intake of a goddamn power plant. That's the best idea. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
You want to go swimming?
Huh?
cold.
No, I'm around here. I'm like, this
this plate
is
is
the
sitting here. It's real
dumbest
skittish.
fucking idea.
Why aren't you tied up? Where did you take them?
What about Dumb and Dumber out there?
No comment.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, give it a couple more inches and I'll have a protective barrier. Kind of like a guardrail.
Okay. This is the safest fucking thing ever. Hi there, guys, and welcome back to the plant. We're at Site 3 today, where we're going to be spinning up M and doing initial basic testing. Like, it's not completely back together again, but we're getting there. You can hear the ratcheting sounds of the men outside as they're lifting the stop logs, and we're starting to let water in. And as we're letting water in, we're letting water in! Look at this shit. This is the chicken shit operation I'm dealing with here. You can see the water coming right through the hatch. Right there. Yeah, it's only about an inch back here, about an inch deep. Not a big deal. It's gonna be fine. It can't really get any higher than that as long as we don't do anything to seal the door too well, because it'll just run out the front door. So that's a thing. Look at this. This is how they take care of their shit, okay? Also the water is deeper over here than it is in the back corner. And now it's inching ever closer. This is why we can't have nice things.
Actually, I think that's ended up in the water once. I think water.
Yeah, I'm not even a little bit surprised. So outside, we're taking out the stop logs. Let's head out there up the safety stairs. Look at that. There's stop log number 3 coming out. The canal's covered in ice. Stop logs 2 and 1 are over here. There's 1 und 2. So I have learned the greatest invention that mankind has wrought forth into existence since spray cheese in a can and edible women's underwear. Milwaukee makes electric gloves, and holy Christ, are these amazing!
Are they Bluetooth compatible?
What the fuck do I care if it's got blue teeth or not? It's warm, and that's like awesome, because it's fucking 20 degrees out here today.
Look at your Apple Watch thing with you wearing those monstrous things.
Don't care, they're warm. Don't care. It's warm. It's good. I like it. Hey, boss. The water's over on this side of the room now.
Cool.
This is getting bigger.
So?
This is the electrical side of the room. It's March 11th, 1658 hours. And how long has it been since we were last grid-tied?
Since before Christmas.
Okay.
So it's like, I don't know, 2.5, 3 months.
And this is all because some dude got drunk and dropped his car into the canal, and our power plant kind of ate his car a little bit.
Right.
Okay. So also, don't drink and drive your car into the intake of a hydroelectric power plant. It's not going to end well for you. Oh, we're moving. We're moving a little bit. Hey, Bootsy! Big wheel's moving. That's pretty cool. Oh, that sounds good. Feel good. That's way more than we were making. Way more better. 242 on the meter.
Imagine smoking come out.
237. Oh, the canal's coming down. It'll balance out. Making power. Friday, March 11th, 2022 at 17:03 hours. She's back online. God, it's so much better. It's quiet, it's happy, it's good. You know what the best part is? Fucking heat's finally turned on.
I agree with that one.
Oh my God.
Oh man. I can unplug these effing heaters.
Yeah, we can get rid of the shit ass little toy heaters everywhere, because now the 250,000 watt space heater is doing its thing again, so that's pretty cool. Alright, she's working again, guys. So that wraps it up. Big generator's turning, we're making power, we're making money, and that wraps up season 3. 2? 2. I don't know, it wraps up this season. You guys have fun. We'll see you next time.